Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to answer the question, what is the time? So we're going to learn how to tell the time in English. Today we're going to use only o'clock and half past. So only o'clock and only half past. So let's look at some examples. So it is 2 o'clock. We know it is 2 o'clock because we look at the big hand first. The big hand is at 12, so that means o'clock. The little hand is at 2, the small hand is at 2, so that's the 2 hours. So again, if the big hand is at 12, it's o'clock, 2 o'clock. And that's how we write it in numbers. Again, the big hand is at 12, so this is o'clock. And we have the small hand is at 4. So it's 4 o'clock. And 4 o'clock here in numbers as well. These are the same. So again, big hand 12, it's o'clock. So what time is it now? The big hand is at 12. We know that means it's o'clock. So what's the hour? We see the little hand is at 8. And so we know it is 8 o'clock. And in numbers, it's like this. It is 8 o'clock, again, because the big hand is at 12. So now, we're going to change it. Here, the big hand is not at 12. Where is the big hand? Well, this is the big hand. It's at 6. So if the big hand is here, it's half past. Half past. This is half o'clock. Half past 2. Half past 2, and here is the time in numbers, 2:30. Again, the big hand is at 6. Small hand is just after 8, so it is half past 8. Big hand is at 6, it's half past. Now, so what time is it? We have the big hand is at 6. So we know if the big hand is at 6, it's half past. It is half past what? Half past, well, the little hand is after 10, so it's half past 10. And in numbers we write like that. So we're going to look at some times. You have to say, is it o'clock or is it half past? Number 1, first one. So where is the big hand? The big hand is at 6. Big hand is at 6. It means it is, let's go back and look. If the big hand is at 6, it's half past. So half past, and the little hand is just after the 1. So it is half past 1. Or this is the time in numbers. It's the same. Next one. Where's the big hand? This is the big hand. It's up here at the top, 12. So we know if it's at 12, we know then it is o'clock. So what's the hour? What time is it? The little hand is at the 5. It is 5 o'clock. And in numbers, 500. 1 or 2 more. So, where is the big hand? Is it here or is it here? The big hand is at 6. So if the big hand is at 6, we know it is half past or o'clock? Big hand is at 6, it's half past. And the hour is 3. And this is the time in numbers, 3:30. Okay, so where's the big hand here? Is it at 6 or at 12? Big hand is at 12. So we know if the big hand is at 12, is that o'clock or is it half past? We know if it's at 12, it's o'clock. So what o'clock is it? Little hand is at 7. So it is 7 o'clock. And in numbers, that's the time. And one last one. What time is it? Where is the big hand? Is it at 6 or is it at 12? So where is the big hand? The big hand is at 6. That means it is half past. Half past what? The little hand is after 7, so it's half past 7. And in numbers, 7:30. So that is our video for today with the time. Just remember, if the big hand is at 12 here, it's o'clock. If the big hand is at 6, like here, it's half past. Thank you for watching.